Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Soap, and today I'm going to be doing a mint chocolate swirl soap, and I'm going to be using peppermint patty from Nature's Garden, and I'm going to be coloring it with mint julep from Mad Micah's and Tall, Dark, and Handsome from Mad Micah's. And then I'm also going to do something that I haven't done in a while. I'm going to do a milk soap. So I've got some organic coconut milk that I'm going to add in. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and add that in right now because this one's a little bit thick and chunky. So I want to make sure that that gets mixed in pretty well before I add in my lye water. There we go. There we go. Now let's add in the lye water solution. Oh man, the fragrance smells so good. You can definitely smell both the mint and the chocolate. It smells really good. Okay. That looks good. I'm going to split off a little bit. I think I'm going to do most of it the mint green with a little bit of swirl of the darker color. But I think I want to keep this mostly the light green. Right, so let me, and I did add a little bit of vanilla color stabilizer into this because it does have a little bit of vanilla in it, so I didn't want it to discolor too much. Okay. There's the dark color. Here's that green. Now let's see. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful minty green color. Oh, I love that. Yeah, those are pretty much exactly the colors that I wanted. Oh, super excited about this one. This is going to be a fabulous one. Okay, I'll stick blend it just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, that looks good. All right, let's go ahead and grab the mold. Let's go ahead and pour. Let's see, is that a good view for you guys? Okay. There we go. There we go, and then I'm gonna throw a quick hanger through it. There we go. Oh, this really smells just so minty. And this green is just exactly what I wanted. Mad Micas really just, they get such amazing colors. I have not been disappointed with anything that I've gotten from them. There we go. And then of course I have to add in just a little bit of my Sparkle Plenty glitter with oil in it because this is me, and that's probably one of my favorite things to do on soaps. Boo, 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 boo. There we go. And now just a little bit of swirl. There we go, just cleaning up the edges. And that's that. That one's all set to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my 99% rubbing alcohol. And that's it. I'll see you guys for the cut. Bye. Hi guys, we're back for the cut. All right, let's see what this first slice looks like. I can't wait to see.
Hi guys, you remember our
Ooh, that looks so pretty. Mint chocolate swirl. That's definitely looks like exactly what I was going for. I love the color of the green.
I got it. Here we go.
We're just cutting today, Marky. Ooh, how pretty is that? What do you think, Marky? Is this pretty?
Yeah. And like chocolate milk.
Like chocolate milk? You love chocolate milk, huh? Here we go.
Super weeders.
Oh, this turned out exactly like I wanted it to. Oh, this is just fabulous. Marky, can you say just fabulous? Alright. On the smell, it's definitely a lovely mint and chocolate fragrance. Oh, this is just divine.
Divine. The point is, the fruit swirl cake. It's very, very cherry. It's very, very cherry.
Ooh.
Very cherry. It's very, very cherry. It's very.
Oh, I love that swirl. That one looks beautiful.
It's very cherry. It's very. Anyhow. I put on my gloves to make oil soap. Then my gloves to put on the old gloves with their socks. Next. Wait.
Just beautiful. Oh, that looks really nice. I love it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Mommy.